Hi everyone, I'm Loshana. I would like to share my reflection on the leadership session. Before this session, I thought leadership was mostly about guiding, making decision, and taking charge. Through this session, I understood that servant leadership is about putting others first, like supporting, empowering, and serving them so they can grow. Mm, the principle that touched me most was listening. I realized that being a good leader is not just about speaking or giving direction, but truly listening to others. When people feel heard, they feel respected and motivated. So that builds stronger trust as a leader. And one action I will take this week is to practice more active on listening with my friends and teammates. Instead of rushing to share my thoughts, I will take time to understand their ideas and feelings first. I believe this will help me become a better leader. Thank you.